Now, about to start my day. I'm heading down to Chicopee, Massachusetts. I have that favorite truck stop there. It's a nice small truck stop. Has great parking, clean restrooms, pretty good people. So this is how my day starts. You look at the outside right now. It seems pretty hot, so I will actually put some sunscreens on before I even start moving, and head out. Well, looks like my truck is giving me issues. All this engine check and whatnot. So we're gonna see what's wrong, and hopefully we can get rolling. So here we are, driving down to Chicopee. This is I-90 going east. The roads are great, and you can see how beautiful it is when you're running. No traffic, nice sun. There's the highway from I-90 when everything's working right. So I should be there in the next 30 minutes or so, and I'll show you where it is. It's a nice truck stop. It's called Pride Truck Stop. It's also close to a Pilot. Oh, them Pilot pizzas, that chicken bacon ranch, man, that is such a good pizza. If you have never tried it, you should. They make it fresh. It's like a pillowy crust. It's not hard. It's more of a soft crust of that what they do. I love it. It takes me a lot of willpower not to buy the daggone thing. So, let's continue this route. I'm heading west.
In half a mile,
90.
take exit 51.
Heading down to exit 41.
Springfield, Hartford.
21, exit 51, I'm sorry. Going down to Pride Truck Stop at Chicopee, Massachusetts. I love this truck stop, or I like this truck stop, because it has a lot of parking.
Take exit 51.
It's easy for you to, take a shower without having issues with parking, which is, sometimes a big issue on other truck stops.
In a quarter mile, slide right onto the ramp to
I
Burnett
just got
Road.
my load done, so I'm all loaded up, heading down to my delivery destination. As you can see, in a few moments here, you'll be seeing a Pilot on the right side for people, or for truckers that like Pilot, or have, a Pilot car that they can use their shower or their facilities. Here's the Pilot on the right side here right now.
Slide right onto the ramp to Burnett Road, then merge onto Burnett
You
Road.
can see that right there. It's right there, that Pilot. And as I mentioned before, I love the pizza there. Turning right down here.
In 800 feet, your destination will be on the right.
That's the Pilot over there. And the truck stop right next to it is the Pride Truck Stop that I like to go to. There's the Pride Truck Stop. I'm gonna turn right here in their entrance here.
Your destination is on the right.
Okay, and the way that they work it here is you're gonna have to turn left after getting in to get their parking spot. Or you can fuel up. As you can see, they're usually pretty full. And I like to throw my trash right here, because they have a dumpster right here at the right side which you can use. Don't be a bitch and throw it on the ground. There's a dumpster right there, and you're gonna have to go here and get your ticket. All Alright, I just got the ticket. So when you go in here, they allow you 4 hours without paying. So you can do whatever you need. Take a shower, eat some food. They do have Subway here and Checkers Chicken. And they also have a diner. As you can see, there's a lot of open spots here. Pretty easy place to park. That's why I like it here. And just to let you know, don't lose a ticket. If you lose a ticket, they will charge you $200 for parking here. Remember, it's free if you park less than 4 hours. After 4 hours, they will charge you $15 for the parking. So, but you know, 4 hours is more than enough time. Take a shower. If you want to take a nap, and as you can see here, lots and lots of parking. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Alright. Heading down to Saratoga Springs, New York from Chicopee, Massachusetts. I'm all loaded now, so the truck's pretty slow going uphill, as you old timers know. But if you're a new truck driver, yeah, it takes a little bit of time if you're going uphill. Took a shower, and the way that I make things interesting is when I take a shower, I put like 4 minutes in hot water and another 4 minutes in cold water in succession. Makes things interesting and gives you a perk me up. It's like now I'm wide awake for my second shift. Just got done eating, getting out of this rest stop. Man, I was so hungry. That half a chicken that you get
in 1,000 feet, merge onto I-90 West.
That rotisserie chicken from Walmart, I practically devoured it. But I'm still hungry. It's pretty good, you know. Rotisserie with ranch, actually pretty good. Heading down to Saratoga Springs, New York. Should be there in the next hour or so. This is actually Saratoga Springs State Park in Saratoga Springs. It's a very nice little town here. Nice drive.
At the next light, turn left.
As you can see, pretty cool. I'm almost down to my stop, and I'll probably unload my delivery and then up to my next stop. Still hungry though. Done with my delivery. Now heading down to my second delivery south of Albany. So I'm heading down to 87 north, south actually, down to the freeway. Okay, done with my last delivery. Heading down to my stop, going to Liverpool. So I'm heading to I-90 West, going to Liverpool, New York. That's pretty close to Syracuse. If you guys know where the Syracuse basketball team is. It's a good day. earn some money. As you can see, it's dark now. You know, this is my day. You know, I start a bit late during the morning, so I could start and end up late actually. But it's good for me because this is where I actually make my miles during the evening time, when there's no traffic, the sun's not too hot on your face, and it's just usually an easy drive. You just have to be careful because it's evening time too. There are a lot of people that's, you know, that maybe drunk or whatnot. So heading down to my rest area. So I'm like probably 30 minutes west from Albany, I-90, the freeway. So in my rest area, and hopefully there's parking. This is probably 2 miles away. I only have 43 minutes on my driving time. So I've been working, you know, trying to get that money. It's a good day, good day. Almost there. As you can see, the roads are clear. I like driving at night. You know, it's usually pretty fast compared to the daytime. And that's where you earn your miles. Ourselves a parking spot, which is kind of tricky during this time of night. It's around 11 o'clock. A bit tricky here. As you can see, there are trucks parked on the right side here. They didn't want to risk going inside and not getting a parking spot. But this rest area is a pretty big parking area. I could just, you know, probably just park right there. Just call it a night. But, you know, I'm feeling risky. I want to go check out the proper parking spot. I try to go wide, you know. Don't want to nick anything in the back. So you new truck drivers, always go wide. Now let's see if we can find ourselves a parking spot here. Looks like we'll see. Oh boy. Do we have one? I don't know. Looks like we do right there. So I'm just gonna go left here.
In 800 feet, merge onto I-90 West.
There, you see that parking spot right there? You guys see it? Make sure you look at your trailer. You don't want to nick nobody. You're probably sleeping. It's gonna piss them off. It's gonna piss you off too. It's gonna ruin your day. I like parking between two trucks that are already parked, so nobody will nick you while you're sleeping, which I did when I was, you know, starting. Now I'm 10 years in here, so I'm pretty decent with my job. All right, all parked up, do my paperwork and call it a night.